Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module, I want to show you how to use the D functions, database functions. So I've got some data on the screen. I'm just going to highlight this data and call it data. So I'm just going to call it data in the name box at the top here. Just type data, press enter, and then at the very top you've got two lines of space, but I want to name that as well as input. So the way the D functions work is this. So if I do dsum first, you can see how that would work. So you go equals dsum, open the bracket, and then you get the help. So it's asking you for the database. So the database I've called data, so I can type data, comma, then it's asking you for the field. So in this example, I want to add the salary based on the grade EO and somebody that's 33. So salary you have to put inside quotes like that, comma, and then the criteria area, which I've called input, like that. Or you can just highlight it, you don't need to use names. Tick that and it comes up with a figure. Just put that into pounds like so. Now anything I put in here, so if I put M for example for male, it will impact on that figure. So that obviously was a male, so let's go for female. So female, there is no females of that grade. So I'll put it back to male. I'll change that to nothing. And you can see this is now changing. If I change age, if I change the age, that's everybody that's male. That's everybody that's female. Delete that. That's every grade AO, AA should I say, and so on and so on. So whatever you put in this area is going to give you the result. Now that's dsum. You've also got dcount, which will tell you how many people that is. So if I do that again, so it's equals dcount, open the bracket. So you're looking at the database called data, comma, I'm still looking at the salary field, and I'm looking at the input area. I think it's easier to use names, to be honest, because you don't have to worry about selecting ranges. So according to this, there are 8 people of that grade. If I go AO, there's 5 of those. And then if I do greater than 40, there's only one person of that grade greater than 40. If I delete that grade off, there are 9 people altogether greater than 40. If I delete that off, now you've got nothing because there's no criteria. So I'll go for M, males. So there's 12 men of that amount. So you've also got D average. So if I'll do that one, equals D average. What's the average of those sales, or salary should I say. So D average, so it's data, comma, salary in quotes, comma, input. Close the bracket, click the tick, or you can press enter, it's up to you. So that's the average, just make that into pounds, so it rounds it up. So again, if I go greater than 40, see what happens there. There's only 4 people, and that's the average of their salary down there. So that's basically what dsum does. Dcount, daverage, D functions. So you set it up so you've got a selection area at the top, you have a database that it's looking at, and then you put in the criteria in the selection area and it's coming back with the results. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can use the D functions to filter data and get what you're looking for. So thanks for your time, I'll catch you on the next one.